Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python programming series of shorts, okay, quick videos, small theories. So let's just move forward with the decorator. So we were just learning about the decorators in my last video, right? So let's just see here different kinds of decorators. So we saw in the last video function decorators with argument, decorators with parameters. Now let's just move forward with the class decorator, right? So basically class decorators uh, we are using how to decorate the classes instead of function, right? So this is what class decorator is, and let's just try to decorate a class. I'm going to click create out here a class decorator, and I'm going to pass a class parameter here cls. Cls is a class that is we are going to define later on. We are going to just let's just first of all decorate this class. I'm going to just take a variable new, okay, and which is a extra variable just to decorate the class, okay, and I was decorated, okay. So here I can just simply return my cls, that is nothing but the class. Now I want to just give actual class with the help of class decorator, right? And my class name here, let's say here we are having as my class only, and I'm going to just pass nothing within this class. That's why I'm just going to give the pass. So let's just try to use the extra variable with class. Okay, what I did here, okay, let me just run the program for you guys. I was decorated. This was printed because I have given a class, my class, which was passed out as a parameter class within this decorator class. Okay, and I have given an extra variable which will be using out I was decorated, right? So as I am just trying to define my class here, I have passed out nothing. That's why nothing is printed out within the class of my class, right? Now as the execution moved towards the class decorator, we have passed out cls, that is nothing but the actual class. Now I was decorated was printed, then we have just written out our cls, but in cls unfortunately there's nothing written. That's why nothing is printed, right? So we have just simply passed our class, okay. By the help of class we have like we just tried to execute our extra variable which was inside the decorator function, okay. So yeah.